What's going on, everybody? Today we're going to be doing Reptilia, that opening melody line. This is taught in a beginner type lesson. I'm also going to be leaving a link to this one. That little riff, that's an awesome riff. That is not going to be taught in a beginner lesson, but I'll leave that in the description box below. For this riff, we can do it on an acoustic or an electric. So go ahead and grab your guitar, make sure it's in standard E tuning, and we'll get started. Okay guys, I'm going to explain this with the electric in mind first, and then we're going to change the second half of the riff for the acoustic players just because it's a little harder to get up here when you play it. So follow along for both of you right here. What I want you to concentrate on is listen to how I hold the notes, how I stop the notes, and how I pluck the notes. The right hand is just going down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. That's called alternate plucking. I want you to practice that. We're going to start with our pinky, fret 7, string 3. It's going to get 2 plucks, 1 down, 1 up. So once again, pinky, fret 7, string 3. Whoops, that was not string 3, that was string 4. Let me try that again for you. Okay, so that gets 2 plucks. Then you're also going to add 1 more pluck to fret 7 with the pinky, string 3. But we're going to have it attached to fret 4 with our first finger of 3rd string. So 1 more pluck on fret 7, string 3. Then first finger, fret 4, string 3. Remember, I want you to think of these two as attached, and then the first two are attached. So here it is. Seeing how I held them? Notice how I hold the second 2 from the first half a little longer. Then the pinky is going to go to fret 7, but string 4 this time for a down pluck. And that's the first half, so it's this. That's the first half of the riff. Okay, take some time, get acquainted with it. Now that's going to happen twice. So the hard part is making that transition with the pinky to start it over. Here it is up to speed. So work on that. Take it slow, medium, fast. That would be slow. If you need to do it slower, do it slower. There's no problem with that. Here's a medium. Okay, now here's up to speed. Okay, both acoustic and electric players play that. Practice it just like that. Work on that stretch with that hand. And let's go ahead and move on to the second section. This is going to be for the electric players. Acoustic players, at the end, I'll explain just a tad different for you. So then we're going to take our first finger. We're going to start fret 11, string 5. It's going to be the same idea. You're going to give it 2 plucks. You're going to give it another pluck in a second. But we're going to be taking our ring finger now, and we're going to be putting it fret 14, string 5. All of this is string 5, by the way. So you're going to be going here. So fret 11, fret 14. Okay, get used to that. So now when you put it in order, it's going to go 11, 11, 11, 14. So one more time. We have one more note to learn. And that's going to be fret 17, string 5. So fret 17, string 5, ring finger. Okay, you just take that ring finger from there to there. Okay, that's going to happen again twice. So it's like this. Once again, take it slow, take it in with a medium, and then a fast, okay? So now, for the acoustic players, the way you're going to change it, and at the end, guys, we'll put it all together at the end. But the way for the acoustic players, you're going to stay in this area. Remember, the reason why I'm teaching it this way for you all is because it's a little bit harder to get up to this part of the neck. So, over here, we already have that first part of the riff down. Now, the second riff, where you ended with the first riff, should be your pinky, fret 7, string 4. What you're going to do now is just take your ring finger 1 fret down, string 4, fret 6. You're going to do the same idea here now. So 6, 6, 6, one more 6 right there. Then first finger goes to fret 4, string 3. You should know this note already. To pinky, where you first started, which is fret 7, string 3. So 6, 6, 6, 4 on the 3rd string. Pinky, fret 7, 3rd string. Okay, that's going to happen there. So for you, it's over here. Okay, get used to that. And that's the riff right there. So now let's go ahead and put this. I'm going to go ahead and do it with the electric guitar. What's cool about the electric is you get the work from this part of the fretboard to that part of the fretboard. It's good to get familiar with the whole fretboard, so make sure you practice that way. Don't do the acoustic way just because you're trying. If you want, you can start the acoustic way. There's no problem. But I want you to get used to getting fluent across the whole fretboard. So here it is slow, and I want you to work on it getting to a medium pace and then a fast pace, okay? Alright guys, thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it as always. And if you need more help with this song, other songs, or if you feel stuck in your guitar playing, I'm a Skype guitar instructor. You can read what my students have to say about me and my lessons at mountainsideguitar.com. Just shoot me an email over there and we can get you going with some guitar lessons with yours truly. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next guitar lesson.